welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe, okay? And don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me and share this video. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. So guys, today we'll be making meat pie, and I don't have a meat pie cutter. That means you're making meat pie without a meat pie cutter. And I'm going to start by measuring my flour. I've already sifted my flour. Okay, when I buy my flour, I love to sift it and then put it in my flour container so that anytime I want to make use of it, to be so easy for me to use. Okay, so for this meat pie, we are not adding in any sugar. Okay, a typical Nigerian meat pie is not sweet, it's savory, it's not sweet. So for this recipe, I'm using just flour, baking powder, my butter. I'm using salted butter, okay, margarine. So because of that, I will not be adding in any salt, but you can just add in a pinch of salt if you want to, but I did not add in any salt. And then if you are using unsalted butter, then you can just go in with just like half teaspoon of salt, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to support a girl. I'm so grateful. So, guys, for this recipe, I'm going to be leaving it in the description box with the measurements. So, please do well to check it out, okay? So, now I've added in my flour and my baking powder. I'm just going to mix this, okay? Then, after mixing this, I'm going to be adding in my butter. So for my butter, I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter, and this is all I have here. So I'm just going to add in everything, okay? And then I will go in with my hands to mix this until everything is mixed very well. So here we have it after mixing. So now I'm going to be adding in my water. I'll be going in with my water bit by bit, okay, because I want to be in control of the quantity of water I add in there. So I'm just going with my hand now to mix. Make sure that your hands are clean, okay? Guys, if you have watched up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? And also click on the like button. To like this video is free, to subscribe is free. Don't forget to also leave your comment for me in the comment section. I love to read your comment, guys. And also share this video, okay? So guys, you're going to need your dough until it is no more sticky in your hand, okay? As you can see, the dough is no more sticking on my hand. So now I'm going to allow this dough to rest for about 10 minutes, okay? I'm going to cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. So guys, 10 minutes later, and I'm going to cut this dough. I'm going to cut it into the number of meat pies that I want to make, and then I will roll it out. This dough can be used for sausage roll, and also you can also use it for your chicken pie and your fish pie too. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on it, okay, so that it will be easy for me to roll it out. Be careful while sprinkling your flour so I don't add in too much flour. So I'm just going to roll it out like this. Because I did not have a meat pie cutter, I'll be using this plate to cut it, okay? Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you liked this video? Have you leave your comment for me in the comment section? Please subscribe, like, leave your comment for me, okay? And don't forget to share my video. Share my video, guys, okay? So I'm just using some eggs to brush the edges. This is so the edges can seal very well. And then I will go in with my meat pie fillings. I have a video of how I made this, okay? I'll be leaving it in the description. I'm just using my fork to seal the edges properly. And guys, here we have it. Our meat pie is ready to be baked. So I'm just going to egg wash it now. I'll just use some eggs to brush on the surface. And here we have it. Our yummy, delicious meat pie is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. So guys, what is your preferred drink for this yummy meat pie? Which drink will you be enjoying this meat pie with? Let me also know that in the comment section. So I'm just going to open one and show you what the inside looks like. So here we have it, our yummy crunchy meat pie. It's ready. Don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.